Okay, guys, I'm going to show you how to sign up for and use Quizlet. We will use Quizlet to practice your vocabulary since we have so much in this unit. So you're going to go to Google Classroom, and below your bell ringer for the day and your magazine and your notes is a link for Quizlet. And each class period has a different link. I'm going to show first period, but it works the same for all the others. So we click on the first period link, and we're going to click the red sign up with Google button. Always sign up with Google. Okay, and so then we are going to, you need to pick your GIPS account and sign in with that. If it asks you to put a phone number, just hit done. You don't need to put a phone number in, you'll be fine. When this pops up, okay, always hit allow. Now it's going to ask for your birthday. Okay, they just want to know how old you are. Put your birthday in. If you don't feel comfortable putting your birthday in, put my birthday in, November 6, 1981. Remember that, kids, November 6th. I need presents. Okay, it's going to come up with your username. It should come up with your name. Okay, and it's going to ask if you're a teacher. Hit no that you're not a teacher. Okay, and I'm actually going to put a different year in so you guys see. It's going to ask for your parents' email. Just put your GIPS email in here. Don't type in the word your GIPS email. Put your actual email address in there. Okay, I'm going to go back so I don't have to put an email address in and create an account. Okay, you don't need your parents' email because your parents have said that you can use your computer for things at school that the teachers give you access to. This is an educational thing that we're giving you access to. Maybe create my account's not going to work. Well, when you hit create the account, then it's going to take you right to the website. So let me sign in with my account so I can show you what it looks like. So when you get there, over here you should have classes. So you'd click on first period science, and then you'll see that there's motion and forces. Now this is going to have, it has 19 terms. You haven't learned all 19 terms. That's okay. Alright, I want you to get exposed to these early so there's not so many new ones coming up later. Okay, so you can look through, you can see all of the words, or you can study them. What I want you to do first is the flashcards. Okay, just so you can get used to what these are. You can't play the games if you don't know what the definitions are. So motion, click to flip, the state in which one object's distance to another is changing. Okay, then you can hit next. Alright, reference point, if you need it to read to you, click on the little microphone thing right here.
A place or object used for comparison to see if an object is in motion.
And it will read it to you. Okay, obviously we're not going to use that function in class unless you have earbuds in. Alright, and then go on to the next one. Okay, for right now I want you just to practice these cards. Okay, tomorrow if you have time, then you can do some of these other things where they'll give you the definition and you have to type the word in. Okay, you can have it play the audio for you if you want.
The unit force is measured in.
Alright, you can use speller where you type what
Newton's
you hear.
second law.
So it just said Newton's second law, so I would type in the words Newton's second law.
Air resistance.
Okay, I got it. You can test yourself with all these different test options and it'll tell you how many you got right and wrong. You can play the scatter game. Okay, and this is where you take the word and you put it on top of the definition. Okay, so I'm taking motion and I'm putting it on top of the state in which one object's distance to another is changing, and then it will make it disappear. and it times you up here so you can go through and try and beat your record each time. Okay, and then there's the race game, where you have to type the word in that goes with this. Okay, so you have to type in reference point. Before it gets to the end of the screen, you have to type the word in. Those you can do tomorrow. Today, once you get signed in, if you still have time, I want you to go through all of 19 words with the definitions. Okay, so you know what all of those are. Alright, so that's how you use Quizlet. We will start to use this a lot, so please make sure that you are following directions and using it the right way.